Hi everyone and welcome to the voiceover. It's like 10 p.m. at night, so sorry if I'm a little bit not enthusiastic. Anyway, the base for this is super simple. Again, you kind of want to go a little bit heavier on the skin. You want to have a really bright under eye and kind of like almost a natural highlight because it doesn't really look like she has a colored highlight in any of the videos. The base for this look is super simple. For the eyes, sorry about that. You really just have to know how to do, not necessarily a cut crease, but more so kind of feathering out your eyeshadow a little bit. But also, if you're someone who's not used to doing that, you can also just like pop on some big old false eyelashes or do some big old eyeliner. Again, her eyebrows are done in this look kind of, so I went a little bit heavier on the brows. For the eyes, I really went in with like the lightest blue shade that I had in my colors and like all of the palettes that I had, so that's super easy. And I just mapped that out all around my crease and a little bit above, blending it out. And then for the lid, she kind of has a heavier blue kind of going on, kind of like almost like a sky blue. Also, sorry if you hear anything in the background, my boyfriend's playing video games, so forgive me. I just want this video to be up properly. The last time, I know the last video was a little bit late to you guys. But the key to this one is literally just blending, much like any other thing that goes on. You just want to blend until your arms fall off, basically. But then I'm going to pack on that, what am I packing on? The more of a sky blue kind of. It doesn't really look like super pigmented. It's just, I think I'm actually going in with the shade that I went in with on my crease. But I remember, now I just remember, sorry. It came back to my brain all of a sudden because my boyfriend's yelling. I'm doing a mix between a like sky blue and white, and I'm just packing that on my lids because it doesn't really look like the blue's super intense, the one that she uses. And I'm also leaving a little bit of space on the inner third of my eye, kind of where you would do the highlight on your inner corner, but a little bit more space to pack some white on. But that's basically the entire look. That's all I'm doing, is I'm just packing in the white and then I'm blending it out. I'm going in again with the white and then the blue, white and blue, blending it, kind of make it seamless. The artist who did it, again, all this makeup was by David Velasquez. His work is super good. I hope you follow him. I also forgot to tell you what look we were doing today, but do not worry, it'll pop up on the screen in the beginning of the video. My bad, I am not on my game today, sorry guys. But yeah, that's basically the base of the look. I also, when I was using the glitter for this look, if you have a glitter liner, I recommend going in right above your crease and doing a little line, how most of the people do the cut creases. Just as like a line of glitter liner would be perfect for this. I made the mistake of trying to use a loose glitter and not using a glitter primer, and so I kind of got glitter all over my apartment carpet and all over my eyes and my eyelashes. I got really lucky, it didn't really get inside of my eye, but it's just kind of everywhere now. So yes, use a glitter liner if you have one. If not, be very careful with the loose glitter that you're going to use. Other than that, I believe that's all that I have for this look. Other than, I think I go in with, so I just have this bad habit of making my eyeliner really big. I don't know why. Oh yeah, I forgot about this part. I think I go in with a little bit of white. I think I went in with a little bit of silver on the inner corner, and then I kind of packed it in how you would do a small cut crease. But that's all that I have as far as the eyeshadow goes. I'm not sure if I show the eyeliner, but I will see you guys in the next video, and I will let the rest of the music play. Thank you guys so much for watching and for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.